everyone, my name is Nadia and I'm a product manager here at IBC. Today we're going to talk about proper drafts and more specifically when to use a ride-on rather than a walk behind. Three main factors determine the choice. First, the square footage of the area to be cleaned. For very large areas, from 5,000 square meters upwards, a ride-on is definitely more suitable. That's because large machines allow for increased productivity and reduced cleaning times, which, in presence of a very large area, would be far too long with a smaller walk behind. Second, the desired timing and frequency of cleaning. When time for cleaning is limited and the operation needs to be repeated multiple times a day, productivity becomes critical. In these cases, a ride-on might be the most appropriate choice, again, if applied to broad surfaces. Third, possible obstructions in the cleaning path. In congested areas, such as supermarket checkouts, it is appropriate to use a walk behind because it allows greater access to the area to be cleaned. But if the congested area is only a portion of the overall area to be cleaned, it is ideal to combine the use of a walk behind and a ride-on in order to maximize cleaning performance and efficiency. For more tips, keep following us.